PowerPoint has lots of great options. And the very first one is when you open PowerPoint to create a new presentation, it's going to ask you which one do you want to use. It gives you all of these different options of PowerPoints that already have some cool graphics in different colors. So I'm going to click the organic and it'll come up and say, are you sure? This is what it's going to look like. And I'll say, yes, I would like to create that. So I'm going to click on create. Now this is a blank slide. This is just, they've put these pictures and these colors on here for us, but now it's our turn to add our text or what we want to say. So I'll click to add text, and I'm going to say triangle because that's my favorite shape and that's what we're going to write about in this presentation. So I'm going to change this font. So I'm going to click my mouse and drag it over top, which is highlighting it. And then I'm going to go to the font options and I'm going to pick which one I want. I'm going to go with this one. And then I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And in order to make my letters bigger, I'm going to go up here to the font size and I'm going to click 80. Now it's still highlighted, so I'm still working on that. And if I want to change the color of my font, it's this drop down right here. And I can change that. I'm going to change it to that color. And then here are some other options. I can bold it, which makes it just a little bit thicker. Italicize, which means slant it. Or underline, which obviously means to put a line underneath it. I'm going to leave it italicized, but I'm not going to use bold or underline on this one. Now this says click to add subtitle, and in my site subtitle I'm going to say by Nicole Brooker. And I might want to play with this too, so I may highlight that, change the font of this to look a little bit different, maybe a little bit bigger. And that's my title page. And again, I can go up here and use bold, italicize, underline. I can change the font or the size right up here in the font box. Now I want to add a new slide because I need another slide. All I have right now is a title page and I need something else. So I just go up to new slide. Now I can just click on that and it'll give me a blank slide. Or if I click on the drop down or this little arrow right here, if I click on that, it gives me a bunch of different options of what I want my next slide to look like. I actually want it to look like this, so I'm going to leave it, but that is an option for you to pick something else. So now I have my second slide and I'm ready to go from there.